Hi, I'm Victoria, and I'm a support and education coordinator at the Alzheimer's Society of BC for the Abbotsford, Chilliwack, and the East Fraser regions. The Alzheimer's Society of BC works in Abbotsford and in communities across the province to provide people with the knowledge, skills, and support to live well with the challenges of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. In my role, I connect people living with dementia and caregivers to support services, education, and information as early as possible after diagnosis and throughout the progression of the disease. We hear the phrase physical distancing should not mean social isolation a lot, and it's true. Staying connected is more important now than ever. While COVID-19 has affected the way we live, it's our priority to ensure people affected by dementia feel connected and supported. While we may not be able to be together in person, our organization has been working across communities in BC to make sure that no one affected by dementia feels alone. We are doing regular check-in calls and presenting free weekly dementia education webinars covering topics including mental health and well-being, making the most of virtual visits, and support on preparing legal, healthcare, and financial plans early before dementia affects the ability to communicate. Our tele support groups are available to people living here in Abbotsford and around BC. In these groups, care partners can connect with others who are experiencing similar things. They can learn, laugh, and help one another through mutual understanding. COVID-19 poses particular challenges for people who are affected by dementia, and we have a library of resources for people living with dementia, caregivers, and healthcare professionals on our website, www.alzheimerbc.org.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਜੋਤੀ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਵਾਂਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਅਲਜ਼ਾਈਮਰ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਆਫ BC ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਐਂਡ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਟਰ ਹਾਂ. Hi, my name is Jyoti, and like Victoria, I am a support and education coordinator at the Alzheimer's Society of BC. There are approximately 70,000 people in BC living with dementia, and we know that each person has a different experience of living with the disease. We also know that more work is needed to raise awareness and understanding of the disease in many communities. Stigma and misconceptions such as it's a natural part of aging or only older people get dementia means that many people living with the disease remain undiagnosed or are diagnosed at a later stage. Culturally sensitive and confidential support services are so important, and part of my role is to educate, ease the shame and stigma around dementia, and connect members of the South Asian community affected by dementia to the support services and information they need. I work with the South Asian community in Punjabi and English. We also have Cantonese and Mandarin language support services for the Chinese community. Regardless of the community you come from, our First Link Dementia Helpline is for people living with dementia, caregivers, friends, healthcare professionals, or anyone with questions about dementia or memory loss. Calls to the First Link Dementia Helpline are free and confidential. In addition to crucial emotional support and a listening ear, you can access information about living with dementia during COVID-19, including practical strategies on a variety of topics, such as behavioral and communication challenges. We can help you with a variety of topics, including what to do after a recent diagnosis, how family members can support a person living with dementia, and strategies for communication, including guidance on how to deal with questions about the pandemic. Many caregivers may be feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or burnt out, and we want you to know we're here to help. Please call the First Link Dementia Helpline or visit our website to connect to information and support.